Let's talk about the take-up of this, first of all. Take-up was 99%. Is that an indication that investors believe in the business model, believe in what this business is doing?
Yeah, this is definitely seen as a vote of confidence in the company after a really, really rough period. The Trump administration throwing a lot of uncertainty over some of their biggest projects in the US, and overall just a lot of headwinds in the industry. We saw that the take-up was extraordinarily high. That's what the company said themselves. So now they're just really on a path to look forward. I will add, though, that it wasn't entirely unexpected to see this rights issue completed successfully. The Danish state owns 50.1% of the company, and they had already said that they would back it and take up their share. The same goes for Equinor. They own 10%, and another of the big shareholders has also thrown the weight behind this. So we knew that there was going to be a lot of support from the biggest shareholders.
And Orsted now, of course, aiming to refocus and some of their existing established European projects. Can you just walk us through the details of that?
Yeah, so now what they're really trying to do is narrow their business model and look at the European offshore projects. They're in the process of selling off some of their onshore projects in Europe, and they know that the US market, that was once seen as sort of this crown jewel for Orsted, where all the business opportunities would lie. They know that that's now laced with a lot of political uncertainty, and they can't really focus on the US the way they wanted. They're trying to complete the projects, but they're really focusing now on just like shrinking the business to some of their core projects. One of the things that we're really looking to now is how they're going to, as they call it, right-size the business. We know that they're going to probably lay off a lot of workers, and in Danish media they're saying they could probably lay off around 20% of their employees in the fourth quarter. So that's one of the main things we're seeing now. How are they going to look forward? Which projects are they looking to complete? Which one are they maybe trying to take on? And how are they really reorganizing their company after all they've been through?